Yesterday, I talked about the importance of focusing on the trajectory of your progress rather than the absolute point at any instance of the graph. Today, I want to talk about something that is related, which is change blindness, and specifically how easy it is for us to forget and not notice the little bits of change that have accrued over the months and the years that have led to significant progress for us. If you don't track these and celebrate them, it's easy to get discouraged even when you've actually been doing quite well at growing as a person. So examples of this could be, you're going to the gym and you might be tempted to try to track your strength or things like that or your muscle mass. But honestly, at the start, you could gain a lot of satisfaction and progress by just tracking whether you're on target for the number of gym visits, right? So if you're visiting the gym 2 or 3 times a week for a few months straight, that's great consistency. That's progress. Like for me with these videos, I'm not looking at the number of views. I'm not looking at external metrics. I'm just looking at have I managed to post every day? And now for over a month, I have. So that's a great goal. That's great progress. Along similar lines, you can do this with basically anything in your life. It's important to try to track things that you have control over, like the number of times you do it, the consistency, the, let's say, the amount of effort you put into each instance. These are all things you have control over. If you instead try to track how other people receive it, you just can't control other people. It doesn't make sense. It's also why one of my regrets with the 3 years of podcasting was paying too much attention to the reception of the content. That is ultimately what led to me taking a long break and being discouraged. Usually these things will take longer than you expect, and that's okay. So try to celebrate the things you have control over and track those things and improve on those metrics. And as you improve on the things you have control over, you will find that the things you don't have control over will also improve with time. It's only natural.